How to delete an alert in TradingView application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you no longer need a price or indicator alert, you can remove it in just a few taps. First of all, launch open TradingView application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, from your home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Chart. Now, select Open any instrument to view its chart. Now I have enabled an alert on this instrument over here. Now from here, go to the bottom and tap the three dots. Now from the pop-up, scroll down and click Alerts. If you've set any price alert in this, you'll be able to see it right here. Tap on it to open the alert info. And now to delete the alert, click on Delete at the top right and click on Delete once again. So right there, you know how you can easily disable price alerts if you've set any in one of the currency pairs or instruments in TradingView. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.